You're watching CHIZZY Delish Kitchen. Keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for always stopping around to watch your girl. I appreciate each and every one of you a lot. And if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and to consider subscribing on your way out. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming around to watch my videos. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be making palm kernel soup, which is in my dialect called OFE AKWU. So stay with me, let's dive into this video. So as you can see, I've seasoned the beef. In here I added all the seasoning that I needed for this recipe. So I'm gonna cover it to cook for 10 minutes until the beef are totally soft enough. I can remember in my parents' house growing up, this is the best soup we usually cook every Sunday. Without this soup, there will be no Sunday food. So if you're from east side, you know that we don't joke with this soup, and you know where I'm coming from. Some people call it Banga soup, and it's also called OFE AKWU. So this is the palm kernel cream. So I scooped it out and added it in this bowl, and I added warm water. I did it this way so that all the particles will settle down under the bowl. So after that, I poured it inside my beef pot, and I cooked it for complete 15 minutes. I added other ingredients, and I added the vegetables. You can cook it anyhow you want. This is my Christmas, palm kernel soup, or in my dialect is called OFE AKWU. There are so many ways to cook this Banga soup, or OFE AKWU soup, or palm kernel soup. There is this ingredient that is called OFE. Is black. The color is a little bit black or brown color. You can add OFE. You can even add crayfish. I don't have those things here. I added the little ingredients that I laid my hands on. So however you cook this soup, the important thing is the taste, the aroma, and the most thing I like about this soup, you can use it to eat swallow or gari, whatever swallow. So in here I added ginger. To bring out the flavor. So as you can see, the soup is getting ready. Before I added all the blended red bell pepper and onions. Here is spinach. It's supposed to be pumpkin leaf or ugu leaf in my dialect, but here is spinach. I'm adding spinach, which is the final stage, and I'm not gonna allow the spinach to cook. I'll just let it cook for just a minute, not more than a minute, so that the nutrients in this spinach will not go away. So after that, our soup is ready. Our OFE AKWU is ready. So our soup is ready, our OFE AKWU is ready, our Banga soup is ready, our palm kernel soup is ready. Call it anything you want in your dialect. Hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. This is my Christmas food, and if you have watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and sharing my video out can also help my channel a lot. Thank you all for watching this video, and see you next time in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the clip and enjoy your Christmas. Bye for now. Ciao ciao.